Lesson 4.2 is solving inequalities for algebra. So title your paper. Now this is using addition and subtraction. So I have one key term. Equivalent inequalities are inequalities with the same solutions. So for example, x plus 4 is less than 7 and x is less than 3 are equivalent inequalities. So if you look here, what they mean in this addition property of inequality, if A is greater than B, then A plus C is greater than B plus C. So there's an example. If 3 is greater than 1, 3 plus 2 is always going to be greater than 1 plus 2. So here's your equation. Solve m minus 6 is greater than negative 4 and graph your solution. So for this, I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So then I have m is greater than 2. And then I just draw a quick little graph. And I look and see, okay, it's going to be an open circle and it's everything greater than. So that's all you have to do. Okay, next, here's the subtraction property of inequality. If A is greater than B, then A minus C is going to be greater than B minus C. So here is another problem. I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to minus 3. So just exactly what they said in the property, when you subtract from one side and subtract from the other side, t is still going to be greater than or equal to 5. And then I draw a graph. And that's going to be a filled in circle. And it's everything greater than or equal to. So here's a story problem. Your baseball team has a goal to collect at least 160 blankets for a shelter. Team members brought 42 blankets on Monday and 65 blankets on Wednesday. Write an inequality to describe how many blankets the team must donate on Friday to make or exceed their goal. So try this problem and then we'll go over it. Okay, so your baseball team needs 160. So that's going to be at the end of my equation. They brought 42 on Monday, plus 65 on Wednesday, plus they need to bring some more on Friday. And I want, it says, to make or exceed your goal. Exceed means you want to be greater than or equal to your goal of 160. So I'm going to add 65 and 42, and that's 107 plus x is greater than or equal to 160. And then I minus 107 from both sides. And x has to be greater than or equal to 53 blankets. All right, that's it for your notes.